It's late, you're scrolling again, and deep down you know you're capable of way more. So why does your life still feel so painfully average? The truth is, it's not one big mistake that keeps you stuck. It's a collection of tiny, quiet habits that feel normal, but quietly lock you into an average life. In this video, we re-exposing 15 silent habits that keep you average, and the simple upgrades that can quietly change the entire direction of your life. You're not broken, you're just running an average routine on autopilot. And if you change the routine, you change the results. Let's start with habit number 1. Silent habit number 1. Saying, "I'll start tomorrow," so often that tomorrow never actually shows up. Upgrade it by starting ugly and small. 1 push-up, 1 page, 5 minutes of focused work, done today, before you're allowed to go to bed. Silent habit number 2. Going to bed with zero plan for tomorrow, and then wondering why every day feels exactly the same. Upgrade it with a 5-minute night ritual. Write your top 3 priorities, choose when you'll do them, and set your environment so tomorrow can't ignore them. Silent habit number 3. Constant, low-level phone checking that shatters your focus into 100 useless pieces. Upgrade it with a simple rule. 1 home for deep work where your phone is banned, even if that's just a cleared-off corner of your kitchen table. Silent habit number 4. Consuming more than you create. Always watching, scrolling, and listening, but rarely turning ideas into anything real. Upgrade it with a 1-to-1 rule. Every time you consume something inspirational, you must create one tiny thing: a note, a sketch, a message, a plan. Silent habit number 5. Staying surrounded by people who are comfortable being stuck, so you slowly start believing that stuck is just normal. Upgrade it by deliberately adding just one ambitious person to your orbit, online or offline, whose standards quietly force yours to rise. If these first 5 habits already feel uncomfortably familiar, relax. That discomfort is actually proof you're waking up to them. Silent habit number 6. Complaining about everything you can control while doing nothing about what you actually can. Upgrade it with a 2-column habit. On the left, everything you're mad about. On the right, 1 concrete action you can take this week. Silent habit number 7. Numbing your stress with endless entertainment instead of facing the one uncomfortable thing that would actually move your life forward. Upgrade it by scheduling your discomfort first. 1 block of time where you tackle the hard thing. Then enjoy your entertainment guilt-free. Silent habit number 8. Treating your body like an afterthought. Sleep, food, and movement only getting whatever scraps of time are left over. Upgrade it by making 1 non-negotiable: a bedtime, a daily walk, or 1 real meal you plan ahead, because a drained body produces an average life. Silent habit number 9. Multitasking your entire day, never going deep enough on anything to get truly good at it. Upgrade it with power blocks. 1 task, 1 timer, 0 notifications. Finish something fully before your brain is allowed to switch. Silent habit number 10. Avoiding boredom at all costs, even though boredom is where big ideas and real clarity are born. Upgrade it by protecting a few phone-free minutes a day, on a walk, in the shower, in silence, where your mind is allowed to wander without distraction. Notice a pattern? These upgrades aren't dramatic, but they quietly shift who you are on an ordinary Tuesday. And that's where your life is actually decided. Silent habit number 11. Talking about your dreams, but never actually tracking them. No numbers, no dates, no real scoreboard. Upgrade it with a simple scoreboard. Income, workouts, side hustle hours, pages read, whatever matters to you. Write it down where you can't ignore it. Silent habit number 12. Waiting to feel motivated instead of building systems that work even when you're tired, bored, or not in the mood. Upgrade it by tying your habits to triggers. Coffee means write, bus ride means read, Sunday means plan, no motivation required, just follow the script. Silent habit number 13. Saying, "I don't have time," but never actually measuring where your time really goes. Upgrade it with a 1-day time audit. For 24 hours, write down everything you do in 15-minute blocks. You'll never see your schedule the same way again. Silent habit number 14. Making tiny promises to yourself. I'll wake up early. I'll stop being late. And breaking them so often that you stop believing your own word. Upgrade it by choosing 1 promise so small you can fail, then keeping it every single day until your brain starts trusting you again. Silent habit number 15. constantly comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20 and using that as proof that you should stay small. Upgrade it by tracking your own chapter. Compare today only to last month's you, last year's you, the person who's quietly getting a little less average. Remember, these habits are silent for a reason. They blend in so well that almost everyone around you has them too. The difference is, most people never notice, and now you do. That awareness alone already puts you in a different category. You don't need to fix all 15 habits tonight. You just need to choose one upgrade and actually live it tomorrow. Maybe it's the 5-minute night plan, the phone-free work corner, or the tiny promise you finally keep. We both know which one hit you hardest. When you quietly remove these average habits, something powerful happens. Your life stops feeling random and starts feeling like it's actually going somewhere. Your future self is begging you. Don't wait for a perfect moment. In this video, pick one silent habit and quietly stop being average starting today.